Understanding how OLED and display technology patents work is crucial for innovators in the tech industry. OLED, or organic light emitting diode technology, has revolutionized how we experience visuals, from smartphones to large-screen televisions. But as exciting as these advancements are, they come with a complex web of intellectual property rights that can make or break a company's success. Let's dive into the patent process. When you develop a new OLED technology, the first step is to document your invention thoroughly. This includes detailing how your technology works, its unique features, and its potential applications. The more comprehensive your documentation, the stronger your patent application will be. Next, you need to conduct a patent search. This is where you investigate existing patents to ensure your invention is novel. If similar technologies already exist, your application could be rejected. This is a critical step because it helps you understand the competitive landscape and refine your innovation. Once you've confirmed your invention is unique, it's time to file your patent application. This involves drafting a detailed description of your invention, including claims that define the scope of your patent protection. It's essential to be precise and clear here. Vague language can lead to loopholes that competitors might exploit. Now let's talk about carbon nanotube technologies. These materials have incredible potential in display technology, offering enhanced performance and efficiency. When it comes to patenting carbon nanotube innovations, the process is similar. You need to highlight what makes your application of carbon nanotubes unique. Are you using them to improve energy efficiency, enhance color accuracy? The specifics matter. After filing, your application will undergo examination by a patent office. This is where patent examiners assess your claims against existing patents and determine if your invention meets the criteria for patentability. Novelty, non-obviousness, and usefulness. This stage can take time, often several months to years, depending on the complexity of your application and the backlog at the patent office. If your patent is granted, congratulations! You now have exclusive rights to your invention, allowing you to prevent others from using, making, or selling your technology without your permission. This exclusivity is vital in the fast-paced tech industry, where competitors are always looking to capitalize on the latest innovations. However, securing a patent is just the beginning. You must actively monitor the market for potential infringements. If you discover that someone is using your patented technology without authorization, you have the right to take legal action. This is where having a solid legal strategy comes into play. In today's competitive landscape, protecting your OLED and display technology innovation is more important than ever. Don't leave your intellectual property vulnerable to competitors. Consult with expert patent attorneys at Patent PC law firm to navigate the complexities of patent law and secure your innovations effectively. Protect your ideas before someone else does. Visit patentpc.com today and take the first step in safeguarding your technological advancements.